Hi beautiful people, it's my pleasure to welcome you back to my channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut. I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at BitSocial from BitApps. They're the sponsor of that video, so without further ado, let's just dive in. As usual, we are back in WordPress. First thing to do is to install the plugin. So just go to plugin, add plugin, and in the search bar here, you can search for BitSocial. Once you have it appear, you can just click on it, install now, and then click on activate. As you can see, mine is already activated. And I also did the same for the Pro version. So I have both plugins installed. Once you have your both plugin installed, you're good to go. You can just see on the left-hand side here at the bottom, we have BitSocial Pro. We're going to go and click on home. It will bring you to the main dashboard. And here we're going to click on accounts. As you can see, I already have two accounts connected. I have my Facebook page and I have my Pinterest account. For today, we're going to focus mainly on the Facebook. I don't have that much of other social media, to be very honest with you, so it was hard for me to test them all. But basically, I could test those two. So today, I will show you for Facebook. Here in the WP Auto Post, that's where the magic happens, basically. And here you can select the accounts where you would like your post to be shared automatically. In my case, I just want to share it automatically on Facebook and on my page, mygraphic.design. I use this one because I actually never promoted that page before. So I'm going to use that page from now on as a test page. And so it's checked. So we're good. And then share post automatically. It's enabled and you can share the post type. So you could just basically choose any other post type that you'd like. You can share with a post delay. Or immediately or after a couple of minutes that the post have been published, or hours or days or week or months or year. So that's pretty cool. And then you can enable auto post log. Okay, then we have here post template. And post template, we can just go and see what happens in there. And you can see it moves straight away from WP auto post to templates here. So while we're there, let's just have a look. In that case, I already created a template for my Facebook settings. And that means that every time something is shared automatically, it will use this template. So we have the custom message where you can put, of course, the post title. And you can see here all the smart tags that you can use in order to use them for your title. Then you have the post type, only custom message, link card, featured image, product image, all images. I mean, there is a lot of options in there. Trim message, you could trim your message, but we're going to just leave it as enabled. And here you get a preview of how it will look like once it's shared on Facebook. All right, next we have WP post schedules. And here, basically, it means what it means. You can create a schedule where you can just say, okay, so the start date and time is that date. And then I want to post every 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Pretty cool. And then you can order post by blah, 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 randomly without duplicate, which is awesome. That means like every now and then you could just publish a post and it takes randomly and it doesn't duplicate the post. So if post A has already been posted, then it's not going to repost it in the future. I like that feature. Then you can set the sleep timer. Let's say if you want to stop it for 1 month or something like this, or you can set sleep days as well. So we're not going to create it, but basically you got the idea. You also have a share now. Share now, well, it means what it means. And this is what we're going to be trying in a second. And you also have last, but you have a calendar. And the calendar view is pretty cool. It shows exactly what post is already scheduled. And it gives you a quick overview of what's coming up or not. And if you should or not add some other scheduling. So we have the logs. And here, basically, you will find all the logs of the posts that have been posted on your account. Okay. So we're just going to go on share now. And we're going to create share a post. And we're going to select the account. So we're going to select Facebook, mygraphic.design. And I'm going to put a title for this one. Let's say test post. And we're going to put, and then you can just add a media, for example. So we're going to click here, go to media, select whatever you want. And we can just click here. Let's go for it. And then you can just basically click on publish now. So we're going to publish it now. And you can see you have the notification that appear right here. All right, let's go on Facebook and check if it actually got submitted. So we're back on Facebook and we're going to check if it's been posted. And as you can see, it is right here. Hi there. Look at my new illustration I made. I love it. What do you think? And we have the pictures that we submitted as well. Pretty cool. So as you can see, this plugin can become very handy when it comes to managing your post and your schedules and when you want to post what. And I really think it is a great addition for people that are freelancers and want to manage their social media in an easy way. You can connect so many different accounts that it allows you to basically automatically share a post on different channels, and that's very cool nowadays. It saves so much time. So if you're interested, just check the link in the description. This is not an affiliate link. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much to BitApps for sponsoring it, and until the next time, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.